Yeah, you can see it's pretty bloody icy. There's no way I was going to get the bike out today. I wouldn't have even made it out of the driveway. G'day everybody, down in the cave this afternoon. Too bloody cold to go for a ride on the bike, so I thought I'll come down in the cave and give you a bit of an update on the channel and how things are going. 500 subscribers I've just clocked over, so thank you very much for everybody that's following along. Really appreciate your support. It's motivated me to go on and do a heap more videos, and I'm really going to get amongst it this year. So if there's anything particular you like on the channel, give us some comments on the sort of stuff you want to see. Also give us some comments on some of the stuff you don't like or don't see, and I'll try and do my best to sort of please everybody. So thanks again for everybody that's following along. What's next? Merry Valley Dirt Bike Riders. These guys are really cool. Young couple up in Gympie in Sunshine Coast of Queensland. They've got a really cool YouTube channel. Enduro bikes, they go nuts in the scrub with all their mates, Nat and Josh. Two really cool people, great sense of humour, some great one-liners. They've got a really good website. They've got stickers, t-shirts, all sorts of shit, but check that out. I'll put a link to their details below in the description, their website and their YouTube channel, Facebook, all that sort of thing. They've even got an old personalised card. Thanks very much, Josh, that's cool. That one will go on the SS. I've already got a sticker up here, and I've got one on the DR, so I've got stickers going on everywhere at the moment. So no, really cool channel. Give them some love and have a look at the gear. What's next? Cairns update. Yeah, it's 7 weeks to go until I go to Cairns. Really looking forward to that. Going to be doing the Cairns to Cape York run again this year. Got about 6 mates from down here in Hobart going to head up. So really looking forward to escaping the cold and getting up there for a while and doing that ride. That's going to be really cool. Everything's ready to go pretty much. I've got the helmet sorted. Camera's all done, microphone gear's all sorted now. I had a small issue with the microphone, but that's now fixed. Got myself some gloves, some new gloves. I've got to get a couple of pairs of these. These are a Fly brand. Really comfortable actually, not a bad glove. I'm not sponsored by them, but I just found that they're quite well priced and good quality. Pin it, that's the go. He's still going, good for him. What else did I got to get? Oh, boots. I bought another set of boots to go away, a pair of Cities. These are really good. For a motocross boot, not surprisingly how good you can walk in and how comfortable they are. I had a pair of RSTs, which are more of a venture boot, which I took last time. I just feel that as I'm getting a bit older, I probably need a bit more ankle support, especially with some of my skill levels sometimes. So when I do fall off, I'm not going to hurt myself as much. So they're good. Certainly recommend those. They're about 500 bucks, I think, off the top of my head. They're really good. Got the drone, I'm taking that with me. I'll talk a bit about that. Got 3 GoPro 7s I'm going to be taking to Cairns with me. I've got the DJI Phantom 4 drone as well. I've got a box which I've sent up. It's a Pelican brand case, waterproof case. That's already gone to Cairns with the mounting rack to fit on the back of the DR400s. So that's how I'll be carrying the drone and some of my camera gear. That's all sorted, ready to go. So other than that, not much ready to do. It's just a matter of waiting for the clock to tick down and get on the plane and get out of this bloody cold weather. So that's going to be cool. Next weekend, Wayne, good mate Wayne, stepped off his BMW about a month ago and busted himself up pretty bad. Sternum, ribs and a bit of bruising on the shoulder and that, but he's on the mend. So I know you watch the channel, Wayne. Good to see you back, mate. Your spirits are still high. Bought himself a DR as well. He's doing that up at the moment, so that's going to be cool. So hopefully next weekend we can get the band back together and go for a ride. Mad Steve that comes with us as well. You all know Mad Steve. He's going to resurrect the old XR400, I think, and bring that out of retirement. And he's always out of control on that thing. So I think he's going to put the Scrambler away for a while and keep that on the pretty roads, and then get a bit more sideways and end up in the trees on his 400. So that's always good for shits and giggles, old Steve. Yeah, and so that's pretty much it for today. Just a short one. Thanks again for everybody watching the channel. Thanks for those who have subscribed. So until next time, ride safe. See you soon.